Okay, so in today's video, I want to show you guys how you can make money on virtually autopilot. Okay, so as you can see, these referral signups I got from only doing the job once, and they sign up themselves, and if they make money or cash out, I make money. Okay, other sites work this way. If they make money on the site, I get a percentage of it. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get unlimited referrals and basically get your earnings onto these sites that I show you onto complete autopilot. So if you stay tuned to this video and watch it all the way till the end, I'll reveal some secret tricks and tips to you that no one else is willing to share. Okay, so what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and you like videos about making money online the honest way, no clickbait, no unrealistic income claims or fake income on any of these sites, then you have come to the right place. Okay, because in this site we will teach you how to make money online the proper way, honestly, without lying to people, without lying to you, and what you can realistically expect to earn from the sites that I show you. Also, which sites and which YouTubers you should avoid watching. Okay, so most of these sites that I've been showing you guys have a referral option. As you can see that I have been getting referrals on some of these sites. So just an example, so my channel is small, but I've actually gotten 2 referrals to Honeygain just from one video. Okay, now once my channel will maybe grow in the future and I will redo a video on Honeygain, I may get more referrals if I choose to put the referral link in the link description, but I only do it very seldomly because YouTube's terms and conditions have changed. But there are other ways which you can do it. Okay, so just a tip for you guys: if you want to start a YouTube channel and you want to get monetized in the future, please leave out affiliate links within the bottom, because YouTube does count that is that you are sending people away from the platform, which YouTube's aim is to keep them on the platform. Okay, rather put links to other videos within your description, or just to a free ebook that you are maybe giving away to get them to opt into your email list. But I would rather wait until I am fully monetized with this channel. Okay, so just a tip for you guys. Okay, so anyways, like I said, so if you look at StarClicks here, StarClicks gives you the option for referral, like I showed you in this video right here. Okay, you can basically get 8 cents for a referral. So this morning I actually got my first referral that is actually verified his account. I have had other few referrals, but none of them has yet verified their accounts. Okay, but they have started making money on the site. But once they do verify their accounts with the mobile verification, I will get an 8 cents from StarClicks. Okay, so that's basically how StarClicks works. Now same with TimeBucks. Now with TimeBucks, they actually give you your referral link right here as you log in. Okay, on your account, and you can share the referral link with other people. You guys don't have to worry, because I'm going to show you exactly where you can share your referral link and not get banned from the platforms, okay, or forums or whatever. Now yesterday's site as well, they also give you a referral option which you can earn up to 30% just for your referrals work on jobs that they've completed. Okay, so that's not, you don't have to wait until they cash out. You don't get paid when they sign up, but you get 30% on any offer that they have completed. So if you haven't checked out yesterday's video, you can check it out right here. You can click the I button in the top right screen of the corner. Now with Honeygain, it's the same. Now with Honeygain, how this basically works is that you will start earning on complete autopilot, because as the people start sharing their bandwidth with Honeygain, you are going to get some of their bandwidth earnings as well, which means your earnings will drastically increase over time. Now there's a right way of doing this and there's a wrong way of doing this. Now most people that do actually tell you how to get referrals tell you to just go in and spam your referral links. Okay, that is not the way to do it. That's not even how you do it with affiliate marketing, just going into groups and spamming your links all over the place. you need to get people's attention and you need to give them a reason to click on your links, okay, and that can only happen once you give them value. Now, I don't use Facebook, but you can use Facebook. You need to use your referral link in conjunction with maybe another tool if you would like, or you can just let it right as it is, okay. So I use Reddit mostly. Now, as you can see with Reddit, right here you can see different subreddits. Now you can look at the search query, which I typed in the search box, is make money online. Now Reddit will basically give me a lot of subreddits that speak about or cover topics about making money online. As you can see, all of these subreddits. This one right here is 302,000 members. This one's got 11,000 members, 668,000 members. Now just imagine if you can get 10 referrals from these forums every day, okay, every day to maybe just a few of your sites. What I also would like to stress for you guys is do not go out there and refer to every site. Okay, stick with just a few sites. If I may make a quick example for you guys. Okay, so I showed you the video on StarClicks. So I'm busy working with StarClicks, but I'm mostly waiting for my referrals. I do click the ads every now and then. I usually forget to come click the ads, but I should actually start paying more attention to it. I'm currently a silver member, but I want to get to gold member, and then from gold member I want to get to platinum member, because you do not only earn by clicking the ads here. So once you become a gold member, okay, you get instant payout release, okay, instant payout release, so you don't have to wait until with the silver membership for your money to be released on a certain date, but you can actually get it on the same day. Now they also give you the HTML code access. Now I will show you guys in the future how to use that once I unlock this myself, because what I like to do is I like that for example a site like this, it has to work its own way up, and the same with this YouTube channel, it has to become self-sufficient at some time. Okay, so once you get to these levels, you can get $5 a day from just clicking the ads, but with the HTML code access, you can actually make up to $20 a day on complete autopilot. I will show you guys how to do that in the future, okay, but just hang on a minute. Now, for example, you are going to get your affiliate link. Now you come over to Reddit, you check out these subreddits. A lot of them do allow you to put your affiliate links in there, okay. As you can see here, just read the rules for this one. I'll just read it for you, okay. Just take this off here. Don't just submit a referral link. Make an informative post about a site, including dollar per hour income, hours available to work per day, and other useful information. So that's basically what they want you to do. Each subreddit is different, okay, and they do allow you to put in affiliate links. Some of them do not allow you to put in affiliate links. Now this one here wants you to have at least 10 karma. Okay, I've got 14 karma. I've worked my way up to 14 karma on this account. Okay, this is a make money online account. This is basically just for this channel. Okay, so what I would basically do is to start getting karma on a website. You can actually get your 10 karma in one day. They give you a few things to do. You can actually bring up to 5 karma in just one day. Later gives you a few tasks. Okay, so how can I make $100 by video editing? So this guy's got a really awesome question. Now what you are basically going to tell him is explain to him, listen here, there are many ways. Okay, so you are a freelancer, so you may already know about Fiverr. Now what you can do is look into other freelance websites, do a Google search, and just tell him about those websites as well, because there may not be a lot of competition as there is on Fiverr. Okay, and then also maybe tell him to start for him to start his own YouTube channel, which is basically like a nestling an egg, keeping it warm for one day. If you are doing the job properly, your egg will hatch and you will have a chicken, and that chicken will go on to lay more eggs, and so on and so forth, which is just a metaphor for earning money with YouTube. And then you post it. He's gonna upvote your post, others will upvote your post, okay, and you will start getting karma, and that's when the magic starts happening. And the same thing is with Facebook, but Facebook does not require you to have certain amount of karma. I know that some moderators do keep the posts pending before they post it, because they want to review the post before they just release it to check if it's spam or not. But most Facebook groups do not do that. Now, how you get people's attention with value is this way. Look at the title. You never say your website name within the title. So the title is just earn up to $20 or more a day, and that will obviously interest people. They will want to know how to do it. Then you start by saying, hey all, hope you are doing well, blah blah blah. I've recently stumbled onto this website, something like that. It has various tasks you can do to earn a side income, blah 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 blah. All of that, you already know that. And then you explain to them the type of tasks, okay, how much they can earn minimum to maximum, and other types of tasks. So list them all for them so they can exactly know what the site is basically offering them, and what they can realistically expect to earn. And also tell them that how you have been using the site, and how much you have earned, and how long you've been spending on the site. So that's basically how you do it. And then this is where the magic happens. Here is a link to the site. Okay, if you would like to support me, then click the referral link here. Okay, so put the website name here and the referral link here. Just an example. And most of the time, people will actually click your referral link, because what most of these sites do is you can also tell them that there will be an added bonus for them once they sign up through your referral link, and that's what they will want. Because some sites, if you sign up through a referral link, you get an extra $1 or extra 50 cents or extra $5. So they might actually want to do that. Now, I hope this video actually helps you guys out. I actually start using these methods, okay, and using these websites to their full potential, because you don't only just have to do tasks on there. You can actually let other people start signing up under you in doing tasks. In them doing the task, you will actually start earning on complete autopilot. That's how this method works. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you guys actually put these methods into practice and start earning on complete autopilot, so that one day you can use that money to buy yourself a course on affiliate marketing, learn how to do it properly, and start building your dreams, because it starts somewhere, and this can be that somewhere for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.